In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vendors in Zoho Books. If you're just getting started with Zoho Books or need to add a new vendor, you've come to the right place. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First off, we'll begin by signing into your Zoho Books account. Open up your web browser and head over to the Zoho Books login page. If you see the sign in option, go ahead and click on it. Now, if you've integrated Google with your Zoho account, which many find convenient, go ahead and click on that Google button to streamline your login. Once there, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Do remember that depending on your internet speed, this could take a little time to load, so just be patient if things aren't instant. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, look for the Purchases tab. It's typically at the top of the screen. Click on this tab and it will guide you to a section dedicated to managing your purchases, where adding vendors plays a key role. In the Purchases section, you should see a sub-tab labeled Vendors. Give that a click. This is where all your current vendors are listed, but since we're here to add a new one, look to the top right corner of your screen for the New button. Clicking this will open a form where you can input all the necessary details for your new vendor. Let's go through what you need to add. Start with the primary contact, which can be the main person you'll communicate within the vendor company. This is important for clarity in communications later on. Next is the company name. Make sure it's accurate, as this will be a key identifier for transactions and reports. Following that, you'll have the display name. This is how the vendor's name will appear in your records, so choose something recognizable. Continue by adding the vendor's email address. This is crucial for sending purchase orders or any other correspondence directly from Zoho Books. Similarly, add a phone number for the vendor, which comes in handy for quick communication and verification purposes. Next, if your vendor has a specific company ID or any additional details that might be relevant, such as address or tax information, be sure to fill those out. The more comprehensive the details, the easier your logistics will be in the future. Finally, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Once you're certain everything is correct, click on the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Congratulations, you've successfully created a new vendor in Zoho Books. This process is crucial for keeping your purchasing records transparent and structured. I hope this walkthrough has made the task easier for you. Thank you for joining in, and I'll see you in the next video.